Hello guys, as you can see, I'm in the members area of Cached and this is a brand new software launched by Glenn Kosky. So Glenn Kosky is one of the best affiliate marketer in the affiliate industry guys, and he developed this software which helps you to drive free huge traffic to your offers, and you can generate more sales and make more money. And today I'm also giving my 4 premium bonuses for free of cost guys to you. And if you are interested in this software or want to know more about this software Cached, so stick with me and watch this full review video till the end. So my name is Suraj Pratap and welcome to my channel. So guys, first I want to show you my bonuses, then we come back to the members area of Cached and know how the software works and what kind of features you are getting with this software guys, and also how you can make money with this software. So guys, when you click the link which is in the description, you bring through here on my bonus page. As you can see, my insane bonus bundle of Cached guys, and you can see guys that in just 60 seconds copy our Cached system that makes us $1,000 plus per day. So guys, with this software you can also make $1,000+ per day guys. And guys, here you can see a clock. I want to tell you one thing guys, that as I told you that today I'm giving my 4 premium bonuses for free of cost to you guys. So if you're going to buy this software, then buy as fast as you can, because when this clock hits 0, then my first 2 premium bonuses will disappear guys, and you will get the remaining 2 bonuses. So guys, now it's time to know about the product which is Cached. So guys, when you scroll down here, you can see the image and the description of this software guys, so you can read this to your own guys. And when you scroll down more, here you can see the prices and upsells guys, but we'll talk later about the prices guys, because I want to show you some key benefits of this software guys. And here these are the key benefits guys, and I'm going to explain you these all key benefits one by one guys. So the first key benefits of this software Cached is guys, we are making at least $1,000 plus per day. So guys, the vendor saying that he's making at least $1,000+ per day with the help of this software guys. And the second one is guys, get started in less than 60 seconds, and you have to just start this software in just 60 seconds guys, and you can start earning money. And the third one is guys, free buyer traffic in record time, and you can drive free traffic to your offers in recorded time guys. And the another was the fastest income we have made so far this year. So the vendor has made a ton of money with the help of this software guys, fast. And the another is guys, copy and paste system. You just have to copy the whole process to make money with the help of this software guys. And the last key benefit is guys, which is 180 days money back guarantee. So guys, if you think that this software is not working for you, then you can also get your money back. You have to just refund this software and get your money back within 30 days guys. But I want to tell you that the vendor of this software, which is Glenn Kosky, he is very confident that this software is very good, and this software is going to help you a lot guys, if you are in make money online or in make money online niche, or if you are interested in make money online guys. So guys, I think now you understand about this software perfectly, and I explained you these all key benefits. Okay guys, so guys, when you scroll down more, now it's time to know about my bonuses guys. So my first bonus is guys, which is how to build a buyers list, and its price is guys $447. So guys, with this my bonus, you are going to learn how you can collect emails and how you can build your own buyers list, and you can sell them one another time guys and make more money. And the second bonus is guys which is 0 to $100 in 24 hours, and its value is guys $747. So guys, with this bonus you are going to learn how you can earn your first $100 within just 24 hours guys. And the third bonus is guys which is 10x commission, and its price is $597 guys. And with this bonus you are going to learn how you can 10x your commission with the help of this bonus guys. And the fourth bonus is guys which is CPA income crusher. So guys, with this and its value is guys which is $397, and with this bonus you are going to learn how you can also make money with CPA offers, and where you can find the CPA offers and best places or best platform for the CPA offers guys. In this bonus you are going to learn about that all these stuff. And the another bonus is guys which is special bonus, and this bonus was provided by the vendors guys, and its value is which is $2,997 guys. And I'm also going to show you the vendors bonuses guys. So here are the vendors bonus guys. The first bonus is $1,000 no cost Autobot, and the second bonus is guys $225 daily instant affiliate check, and the third bonus is guys $0 to $1,000 a day in 3 days, and the fourth bonus is guys first sale in the next 33 minutes. So guys, these all five bonuses, sorry guys, 4 bonuses, and also my 4 premium bonuses. These all 8 bonuses today you are getting for free of cost guys. But remember one thing guys, that when this clock hits 0, then my first 2 premium bonuses will disappear. So that's why if you are interested in this software or want my bonuses for free of cost, then buy as fast as you can guys. So now it's time to know about the prices of this software guys. So the front end price of this Cached is guys $17, and the OTO one which is unlimited version, its price is guys $67 and downsell is $37. And OTO 2 which is 100% done for you, its price is guys $97 and downsell is $47. And OTO 3 which is unlimited traffic, its price is guys $97 and downsell is $47. And OTO 4 which is automation, its price is guys $67 and downsell is $37. And OTO 5 which is ATM, its price is guys $197 and downsell is $47. And OTO 6 which is ultimate, its price is guys $197 and downsell is $47. And the last OTO is guys OTO 7 which is license rights, its price is guys $67 and downsell is $37 guys. So now you are thinking how you can buy this software guys. So guys, for that, when you have to click the link which is in the description, and when you come here on the my bonus page, you have to click one of these yellow button, click here to secure your bonuses. So when you click one of these yellow buttons guys, you bring through here on the sales page of this software, and I am also going to give you a $3 discount guys. But if you buy this software with my link, then only you will get this $3 discount guys. Okay, so here you have to click this button guys, claim my discount now. And when you click this button, then you have to pay the price of this software, and the software is yours guys. So now you are thinking how you can redeem the bonuses for free. So guys, for that you have to go to your members area, and you will get the vendors bonuses in the members area. And for my bonuses you have to go to your purchase Warrior Plus account and go to your purchase history guys, and search for Cached and click on the search Cached guys. When you click on the Cached, then the interface looks like that, and here you can see a blue button which is access affiliate bonus guys. So when you click this button, you can get access my all premium bonuses for free of cost, guys. So guys, as fast as you can buy this software, because this software is going to help you a lot in make money online, guys. And if you are in affiliate marketing, then this software is very important for you, guys. So buy as fast as you can. Now it's time to jump into the members area of this software, guys, and know how this software works and what kind of features you are getting in this software, guys. So the first section you are seeing, guys, that is first section is dashboard, second section is tutorials, and the third section is campaigns, and the fourth section is, guys, page content, and the fifth section is, guys, products, and the seventh section is, guys, done for you. And here the eighth section you are getting the formula how you can drive free traffic to your offers, guys. And the another one is upgrades, and the another one is, guys, help, and the last one is, guys, also upgrade. So guys, this is the whole Cashed software, how you can make money with this software, guys. So you can also watch this demo video of this software, that how you can run this software, guys. And if you are getting any trouble to run this software, then you can also contact with the support team, guys. Here you can see the button of help. So guys, I think I told you everything about this software, which is Cashed. And one more thing, guys, that if you are going to buy this software, then don't forget to click the link within the description. And I hope this video is going to help you a lot. And if this video help you, or if you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and comment down below and give me a thumbs up, guys, and also share this video with your friends. Have a nice day. Thank you.